one of the key elements is making sure people understand the value of their time. Most people don't. And Sushil here just taught me something that I hadn't thought about, is multiplying a boss's time out by every employee, and that's how many hours this boss has to work with, and has to make sure they get the total. I like that connection. To start with, understanding the nature of time. Alan Lakin started the time management industry 45 years ago. And Dr. Alan Lakin said very simply, and he had a pure definition of time. And time is life.
Absolutely.
Time is life. If you understand that, you're giving time to people every day. Can I have 5 minutes of your time? Can I have 20 minutes of your time? Can I have, so say, can I have 16 minutes? This is my life. When you give 5 minutes to somebody who doesn't deserve it, that's 5 minutes of your life you gave away. Think about where you give your life away, and who you give it to whom you give it to. You are giving your life away to people maybe that don't deserve it.